Hello everyone, welcome to my ninth video tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be talking about switch statements. So what is switch statement? It's much like the if statement, but the easier way to define, to use conditions in easier way. For example, let's define a variable, for example int age again, and system out print line give age equals scannet plus dot next int. Now navigate the age from the keyboard. And how we use switch? We write switch age and the body. So now instead of writing whole the if statements for each one, for each age is equals to 1 system dot plus plus if age equals to 3 and system blah blah blah. Instead of this we just write cases. If case 1, that means if the value of the age is 1, do this. For example, system out print line you're just a baby. Anyway, how can a baby use the computer? I don't know. Anyway, so for example case 50 system out print line you're pretty old. Case 20 you're young. So forget to put that. So as you can see, instead of many if loops we just use cases. So let's see what happens. Give age, we're given age, for example what we defined 1. Oops, I forgot to use break. At the end of each cases we should use break. Break means when the our condition is true, just stop the program and print or what we did. So let's see again. Give age 1. As you can see, you're just a baby. Let's start it again. What we did 50, you're pretty old, and 20, you're young. And of course, and now in the else loop, of course we have the if loop, of course we have the else just like us, which is called default. So default means the program checks all the conditions you have provided and none of them is applied, then it goes to default print line. For example, unknown value was given. So, and don't forget to use break. default. Yes. Now let's see. For example, which we don't give defined 2050 and just enter 2. As you can see, it checks throughout these 3 cases and it didn't find it, so it prints the default. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed my videos. See you guys in my following tutorials.